if I told you that you don't have to stop gardening in winter? The good news is I have 11 things gardeners can do all winter. And the fourth idea, if successful, will allow you to make some money. So let's get right into the video. In the winter, me and my brother get really excited for the spring. We decide what we're going to plant and how much of it. You could have goals like learning how to start healthy seedlings, maybe learn how to make excellent compost, or how to make nutrient-rich fertilizer. Now to show you the rest, I'll have to travel through different dimensions with my time traveler over here. Oh, so right over here is this fellow watching gardening videos on YouTube. It's a great thing you can do in winter because videos increases your knowledge, and then when spring comes around, you'll be a better gardener than the year before. This fellow over here watches some of his favorite gardeners like Epic Gardening, James Perizzoni, Simplified Gardening, and Hugh Richards. And without them, there'd be no gardening videos from that fella. Whoa, it's so cold out here. So the next idea on the list is to prune your fruit tree. Got some wild trees that I'm going to show you how to prune on. Got my lopper over here. Sorry for the windy noise, but I hope you can hear me. So what you want to do is to prune on the line between the branch and the trunk. Now the reason we prune like that so that it will heal nicely. Winter time is the best time to prune your trees because the tree will have time to heal more slowly and there will be no leaves in the way so you can actually see where you need to prune. There will be no bacteria or infection that will harm the tree while it's healing. In the springtime, the tree could use its resources to grow bigger instead of using its resources to heal the wound. It's too cold. In this dimension, this guy wants to start a worm farm so he could start selling worms, the liquid, and the casting. He actually saw a video online of a guy making tons of money selling the worm liquid, so he wanted to try that out too. Starting a worm bin is such an excellent way to harvest all your kitchen waste nutrients for next year's plants. Remember, when starting a worm bin, make sure your bin is in an area of your room where it's 20 to 25 degrees Celsius so your worms will grow faster. By my calculations, I should have over 8,000 worms at the end of 4 months. Also make sure to add enough browns like newspaper and cardboard so your kitchen waste doesn't start to smell and attract fruit flies and help the mite population grow. You will also want to make sure the worm bin is moist but not too dry and not too wet. There's actually going to be an excellent video on how to start a worm farm for under $50 in your basement that you wouldn't want to miss. Right over here is this guy sharpening his gardening tools. He understands that sharpening your gardening tools after using them all season will make the work easier and help him work faster next spring. It will also be easier on your back, arms, legs, and overall your whole body. Make sure all your moving joints are well greased, the blades, chains, and pruners are well sharpened, and do a checkup on your gas-powered or electric-powered tools, like lawnmowers or pruners. Now in this dimension, I don't actually have to travel anywhere else because I could show you it myself. In the winter, I like to make sure I have enough seeds of my favorite plants to grow in spring. If I don't have enough like bok choy here, I would get some more. I also have some of my seeds like I saved from this year. I also have some bok choy seeds that I saved. If you want seeds from a rare plant, then you have to make sure you order it very early because people will quickly buy it. The saying goes, the early bird catches the worm. And that is true when it comes to rare seeds. In this dimension over here, this guy is actually reading a gardening book. You can get many tips, ideas, and inspiration. Next year, you can actually put them to great use. Shh! I'm trying to read. Oops, I'm sorry. Behind him are actually some plants that he brought indoors so he could take care of them for over the winter. Now let's travel to the next dimension and see what another guy is doing. In this dimension, this guy is growing microgreens. In winter, you don't get that much berries, so adding microgreens to your daily diet will allow you to get a boost of nutrients. You can add them in salads, on avocado toast, and smoothies. Microgreens only take a week to grow, and you can get a package of it from Mom's sprouting seed.
Wow, this is really good.
Well, I'm gonna get out of here.
Wow, good stuff.
People in a hotter or warmer climate can do composting over winter. There are many types of composting methods you could do. For example, hot composting, cold composting. You can make some leaf compost over the winter. And if you have chickens, you can make chicken compost. Composting over the winter will give you soil and nutrients for your garden next spring. Now in the next dimension... Oh wait, wasn't I here in the beginning of the video? Oh wait, what's over there?
Tidying up your garden could be as simple as packing away frost blankets or packing away garden. Another thing you could do is prune old vegetation that is dead in your garden, such as tomatoes that have died from a frost, and add them to your compost. You can also amend the soil with manure or veggie scraps.
Now even though you know these 11 things, it is still not enough. Like he just mentioned, you can bury kitchen waste or add amendments to the soil. So watch this video right over here to learn the 9 things you must bury in your garden before winter comes, so you can have free organic nutrients for your plants.